Krishna. My name is Sergey. I've been studying Mridanga with Prahlad for the past 6 months. And I just wanted to say a couple words in gratitude. Well, first of all, he has made it so much easier in terms of the way he writes the mantras down, because I was struggling so much with trying to memorize this trillions of combinations of dini, dinish, mini, mini, fini, bini, and so forth. So, but he's got a different system where you can clearly see how the mantra is written down, and it's much easier. Yeah, so he's a very nice teacher, very experienced, and when I got there, I did know a lot, almost anything. So just the very basics, how to hold Mridanga and so forth. So I have recorded some videos. I'm not saying I'm a professional player now, but I have recorded some videos showing the progress that I have made. And yeah, just take a look, and I ask for forgiveness for the bad quality of the video and bad sound, especially on the big side when you do the slides. It might be not that clear, but anyway. So I very recommend to subscribe for the classes and see if you can make progress too. He's not gonna let you slack around, but you can expect good results within a short period of time if you work hard. Hare Krishna.